Hi, I'm Dan Schabowski with Troyce, Gatewood and Partners of Keller Williams Realty Center, and I want to talk to you about the newest arm of our team here called TGP Homes. We here at Troyce, Gatewood and Partners know how important it is to prepare a home correctly to make sure that you get the most visibility, the best offers, and the highest net at the end. And the truth is, most sellers know it too. But unfortunately, there's some things that sometimes get in their way that keeps them from preparing houses the way that they should for the real estate market today. Most sellers have a few major issues that they come up against when preparing their home for sale on this current real estate market. For one, they may not have the upfront financial investment that it would take to prepare your home correctly. Two, they may not know which areas to focus on, what materials to use, or how to coordinate that whole procedure. And last, and probably most important, they don't know the contractors that they trust, as well as they don't want to be project managers coordinating carpet, paint, and other various trades. So that's what we've tried to solve with TGP Homes. By using TGP Homes, what we've found is we can coordinate that whole job for you, even front the money if needed for the renovation job. We only focus on the things that are going to bring you a high return on your investment, but we remove the headache, we remove all the questions about what to do, when to do it, what's worthwhile, and what's not. So by using this product, you can come out with a beautiful house that's going to get you a great return on investment. On average, with the money that we put into our renovations, we see about a 3-to-1 return. So basically, for every dollar you spend, we're seeing that come back 3 times. We know this is going to allow our clients to receive more money at closing to achieve their next goals in life, while removing all the headache of project management and the financial burden up front with these issues. This home, just like many homes, was loved and lived in leading up to it, which is the way it should be. Sellers should get to enjoy their homes, raise their families, do the things that they want to do with their home. But sometimes when it comes to sell, we're concerned about the time it's going to take to do this. So that's why we have this product that allows them to very quickly do the renovations that are going to be necessary without changing their day-to-day lives. All right, so this specific home is a great example of these. For one, we at TGP Homes funded this renovation up front for the seller, so that way they didn't come out of pocket with any money up front. On this project, we also coordinated multiple trades at once without the seller having to get involved with working on timelines and creating this. We brought in carpet installers, painters, we remodeled the bathrooms, we added tile, we converted a tub to a shower, we brought in glass doors, we handled landscaping, we handled all facets of this down to the lighting to make sure that this home is going to show as amazing as it actually is on the inside. That way our seller can see that great 3-to-1 return on investment that we hope to gain for them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video about our new and exciting arm of our real estate team called TGP Homes. For any other questions, please reach out directly to us. We'd love to answer and show you how this product will improve the lives and the bank accounts of our clients.